Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Selenium is a powerful tool for automating web browsers, and it provides a WebDriver API that allows you to interact with web elements in various ways. One common task is sending keys to input fields, which simulates the user typing into the field. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to use the Selenium WebDriver's send_keys method in Python with a practical code example. Before we begin, make sure you have the following installed. Now, let's write a Python script to demonstrate how to use Selenium WebDriver's send_keys method. Remember to customize the script according to the specific HTML structure of the website you are working with. Now you have a basic understanding of how to use Selenium WebDriver's send_keys method in Python. This can be useful for automating form submissions, login procedures, and other interactions with web pages. ChatGPT.